Right, turi mu mujyi rwagati wa Kigali aho Brass Band yaje gufatanya n'abanyeshuri basoje African College mu birori bigiye bya graduation y'abanyeshuri basoje. Félicitations.
Thank you so much. You may be seated.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the third graduation ceremony of African College of Theology. Come on, give God a big hand clap. We are delighted to have all of our community, alumni, lastly the board of African College of Theology to stand up. Thank you. Happy to have you here. We are happy to have Dr. Livia, Dr. Jenny Kiroma, Bishop Nzira Machenga. We have a number of vice chancellors of university from VCNS Ruhengeri. We are happy to have you here. Principal of Kibogola Polytechnic, you're welcome. Rector Catholic University, you're welcome. Representative from the Protestant University of Rwanda, you're welcome. Africa College School of Governance, you're welcome. Good Shepherd Church, Kali Valley Temple, and a number of churches in the city of Kigali, and a very special way at the Pearl for sending so many students. This moment to God, because God has done amazing things for all of you who are here. You have an amazing testimony of how far God has brought you. So thank you for being with us today. Thank you, our
Nyariha Imana Olive. Now for her, I want her not to come now because her word is coming, so we'll be able to present it at some point. Thank you. Thank you, Geoffrey. Okay, good. Thank you, Reverend. Now the second award, Uwizimana Vincent. Mutesi Justine. Award to the following students: Bachelor of Arts in Theology and Leadership, Uwizimana Vincent. Annette Nantumbwe. Postgraduate Diploma in Theology and Leadership, Jean Theoneste Nzeimana. Angelique Uiji Siro. Angelique. The third award is given to exceptional staff, or we call it Exceptional Staff Award. We are going to award two of our staff. Frederick. Frederick has been with us for some years. Serves as one of our support staff. Is faithful as other members, and we are giving him the award today. Mr.
Directors from African New Life that were called at that time. I see Director Peace, I see Mama Regina, I see Elder Eugene. Please can you stand up and say hello to the people. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much, thank you so much. We work together with them. Without them, there will be no graduation. The Chancellor, sir, the Chief Guest, members of the Governing Board, distinguished guests, partners, faculty and staff, parents, families, and our graduating class. It is a great privilege to welcome you to the third graduation ceremony of African College of Theology. As you can see today, our hearts are filled with gratitude to God for his unfailing faithfulness. He has sustained this great institution for his glory. He has strengthened us through every season of our life and enabled these graduates to complete their studies. We therefore declare with confidence that this is the Lord's doing, and it is marvelous in our eyes. We want to extend our sincere appreciation to African New Life Ministries, our sponsoring body, for their steadfast commitment to arts mission and to arts growth. I particularly want to thank our Chancellor, Reverend Dr. Charles Mugisha, for his visionary leadership and his unwavering support. Sometimes at midnight I call him.
Umudiho Jean-Claude. Rudasingwa Innocent.
Turn your tassel from the right to the left, and then now toast your cup in celebration. Now put your cup up, please. Put your cup up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We can have our seats. You can have